Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'll show you how to transfer your Ticketmaster tickets to someone else. First, you should open the Ticketmaster application on your phone, log in into your account, and you should go to this section right here, My Events section. Once you click on it, it will show you all the tickets that you have. When you click on the ticket, you can see here all the details about the ticket, including the transfer button. If you have this transfer button unhighlighted or grayed out, this means that this ticket cannot be transferred to anyone and it is not eligible to send it to someone. So once you see the transfer button, just click on it. Once you click on it, it will tell you exactly which seat do you want to transfer to. Then simply click on transfer to after you choose the seat that you want to transfer. And after that, you'll have to provide the first name of the recipient, last name, email, address, and you can also add some notes. Then once you finish, click on transfer one ticket. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, share this video with your friend, and thank you for watching.